Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course under Python programming language and the Django framework. A very warm welcome from me. In the previous session we made an add section and an admin section for our categories. In the admin section we added some data manually as a test to see how things work, so that they are listed and we see them. In this session, we are going to make the add section of our website. Alright, to do so, we need to write a function as is the norm with all the rest of the parts. Okay, for instance, cat underline add, and we don't need to send data, and then cat underline, and let's see, we need to make this file cat underline add.html. For instance, we write add inside it, and we need to use the URL. And here categories instead of list become add, and cat underline add. It will be connected to it with the name cat underline. Alright, now we copy the URL here and in the master as well. Alright, now for instance we refresh in the add news and we see the add page. Now we need to make the add page of our website. Alright, I copy the add news page, and here we do the necessary editings. Now it's add category, and then this is category. The addresses panel category and add. Here add category. Alright, here our function cat underline cat. Okay, it should be sent to it. Alright, and now we see our page. I need a title now, a name, and then submit. The other fields can be removed. Alright, first I remove this button, and then I set it up here instead of select. And then the rest of the form groups can be removed because I am not going to need them here in this form. I check my page, and now it is a field and submit button. Alright, the field is changed to name, and place folder would be category. Title, for instance, it looks like this. Alright, now we need to, in the view, write the necessary codes. At first I write if request dot method equal to post. Alright, name equals to, let's say, request dot post dot get name, the name field. I get it from form, and write if name equal with nothing, Now, like the new section, I get a copy from it. Let's do this. Alright, that's right, required. And then if it doesn't give an error, it means the name has been added. I just need to write, give a variable name b equals cat, open parentheses, name equals name, and without saving, that's right. Is that right? And then detail, redirect, and redirected to cat underline list. That's right. Let's check the page. I refresh, test, submit, and yeah, it has been added to my category. And again, I can go and add test 2, and it has been added to my category.